Building wealth may seem daunting, but it's achievable for anyone with the right strategy and commitment. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your financial situation, following a solid plan can set you on the path to financial success. Here's a comprehensive guide to help beginners understand how to build wealth. 1. Develop a wealth-building mindset. Building wealth starts with a mindset shift. This involves long-term thinking. Wealth doesn't happen overnight. It requires patience, discipline, and a focus on the bigger picture. Delayed gratification. Sacrifice some short-term luxuries to save and invest for the future. Continuous learning. Stay informed about personal finance, investing, and money management through books, podcasts, and financial blogs. 2. Establish a strong financial foundation. Before you can start building wealth, you need to stabilize your current financial situation. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. Use tools like apps, spreadsheets, or old-fashioned pen and paper. Build an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a liquid savings account. This safety net prevents you from falling into debt if unexpected costs arise. Pay off high-interest debt. Focus on eliminating credit card debt or personal loans. Interest on debt can cripple wealth-building efforts if left unmanaged. 3. Increase your income. There are 2 primary ways to grow wealth: earning more and spending less. For beginners, finding ways to boost income can accelerate your journey. Negotiate your salary. Don't shy away from asking for a raise at your current job if you've been performing well. Pursue side hustles or freelance work. Leverage your skills or hobbies to generate extra income through side gigs. Start a small business. Identify a problem you can solve or a service you can offer in your community or online. 4. Start saving early and consistently. One of the most powerful wealth-building tools is time. Starting to save and invest early allows your money to grow through compound interest. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn to consistently save money. Avoid lifestyle inflation where increased income leads to increased spending. 5. Invest wisely for the long term. Saving alone won't make you wealthy. Investing allows your money to grow over time. Here's how to start. Learn about different asset classes. Get familiar with stocks, bonds, mutual funds, index funds, and real estate. Stock market investing. Stocks can offer high returns over the long term, but come with higher risks. Index funds or ETFs. These are beginner-friendly, low-cost ways to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks or bonds. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Max out contributions to retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or Roth IRAs if available. These accounts allow your investments to grow tax-free or tax-deferred. Stay consistent. Regular contributions, even if small, add up over time. Don't try to time the market. Invest consistently and let time do the heavy lifting. 6. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source can be risky. Over time, look for ways to diversify your income. Invest in real estate. Real estate can generate passive income through rentals or appreciation in value over time. Dividend stocks. Some stocks pay out dividends, providing regular income alongside the potential for long-term growth. Peer-to-peer lending or other passive investments. These can offer additional income, though some are riskier and may require more research. 7. Keep learning and adjusting your strategy. The financial landscape changes, and so will your circumstances. It's essential to keep learning and be adaptable. Monitor your progress. Regularly review your financial goals and track how your savings and investments are performing. Reinvest earnings, whether it's dividends, interest, or business profits. Reinvest a portion to keep your wealth-building momentum going. Seek advice from professionals. A financial advisor or wealth coach can offer personalized guidance, especially as your portfolio grows. Additional tips for beginners: avoid get-rich-quick schemes. If something sounds too good to be true, It usually is. Building wealth takes time and patience. Educate yourself, read books like The Millionaire Next Door, Rich Dad Poor Dad, and The Simple Path to Wealth to deepen your financial understanding. Stay disciplined, stick to your budget, maintain a long-term focus, and avoid unnecessary risks, like trying to day trade stocks or chasing the next hot investment. Example timeline for wealth building. Year 1 to 3. Establish a budget, build an emergency fund, eliminate high-interest debt, and start investing small amounts regularly. Year 4 to 7. Increase investments, diversify your portfolio, and work toward maxing out retirement account contributions. Year 8 to 10 plus. Build additional income streams, invest in real estate or dividend-paying stocks, and review your wealth-building strategy regularly. Conclusion: building wealth isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. By following these steps and committing to smart financial habits, you can create a strong foundation for long-term wealth. The earlier you start and the more consistent you are, the more likely you'll be able to reach financial independence and live the life you desire.